Hi. Now you are watching the German project that we just completed on-site commissioning. The project was commissioned after being manufactured in the factory in the previous video. After that, ENCO completed the fast and low-cost transportation link through the unique skid-mounted design in a very short time and arrived in Germany quickly, and the on-site installation time did not exceed 1 month. Relying on our excellent design team, we adhere to the principle of customizing the most cost-effective plan for customers. We minimize the customer's investment on both the production and transportation ends, creating significant benefits for his business. The cooperation with German customers has enabled us to expand the office area, and we continue to promote the establishment of ENCO's office in Germany, which represents another step forward in our journey to establish ourselves as China's first-class evaporator and other equipment export company.